Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haris bin Azhar. My metric number is 23 DLS 18F2063. So today I would like to introduce my group members are Shukri Abdul Ghani, Daniel Haikal, Muhammad Farid Shamil, Sugantini, and Mohan Aswari. So our group will be present about design and develop an intelligent monorack with gyro mounted stabilizer. So let's proceed with the first presenter.
Online food deliveries are highly demand because of the pandemic. So there are a lot of companies such as GrabFood or Foodpanda as a new way to food delivering in our new norm. Foodpanda, which is the first delivery company that start aggressively in Malaysia, rider experiencing food or beverages spoilage while handling in delivering process because the box or food carrier gets easily slip or fell from its place at the back of the motorcycle will cause a bad reputation and relationship with customer. Food handling equipment should be improved to solve spillage problem by using proper and more effective way to handle the food and beverages. The next one is business problem and issue. Today, online food delivery services are highly demanded by Malaysia, especially in the cities due to pandemic COVID-19. This situation affects the rider when more packaged food and beverages need to be delivered on time. Thus, create problem to the rider, especially in delivering liquid and soft food to their customer. They need to make sure that the food is delivered to customer with standard quality without split or damage. The food fall or spill in the delivery box during the process of delivering when the rider entering the corner. The box at the back of motorcycle will parallel together with the angle of motorcycle, which cause every item in the box will get moving and spill.
Let's see the objective for this business project. The general objective for this business project is to improvise the existing adjustable monorack by adding stabilizer and split detector features on it. The second is the specific objective. The specific objective for this business project is to reduce split and damage food during delivery process, and then to build a good relationship between customers, the vendors, and the delivery man in order to satisfy customer needs so that the business will thrilling. The last one is to streamline the process of food delivery, food and beverage ordered to customers by maintaining their quality. Thank you.
I will continue the explanation about scope of this business project. First, the business project about our monorack is to provide great service to the food delivery customer, especially to Foodpanda customers. Next is to solve the problem faced by Foodpanda riders and customers regarding to the food and beverages damage during the delivery process. This food and beverages damage is commonly problem faced by customers, especially water spill during the delivery process. By targeting rider from Bandar and Stag area, this project has been held from March 2021 and to end of this June 2021. In nowadays, many of food delivery service has existed like GrabFood, Bungkusit and many more. But in this project, we have chosen Foodpanda riders and to be assisted in the innovation to continuing provide a great delivery service to customer and satisfy the customer with the originality of the food taste and food plating. This monorack will finally make the delivery process by Foodpanda rider become more efficient and effective.
The first limitation for this project was limited access to data. The biggest challenge in gathering data for this project was the coronavirus pandemic, which restricted information gathering activities. Members of the group are restricted in their ability to gather data due to the inability to travel freely. Members of the group are unable to meet because they live in different states. And online conversations are difficult due to the line issues and misunderstanding. Finding knowledge data on the internet is also difficult since certain websites need a subscription in order to access it. In this project, not being able to conduct a face-to-face interview with the respondent is also a limitation. This is a significant restriction for the members of the community in planning this project. Second limitation for this project is conflict arising from culture bias and other personal issues. Conflict arising from culture bias are a challenge for some residents who refuse to participate in the project's survey. Respondents refused to complete the questionnaire distributed by the group members through Google Form. The problem was solved by distributing more than the projection of the respondents. Financial constraint is the third limitation for this project. The project cost, often known as the budget of this project, includes all the financial resources necessary to complete the project on time. The fourth limitation for this project is time constraint. There is the limited and influence time to study a problem and to complete this project. The duration of the project from March to June 2021 is restricted. We are concerned that due to the short time frame, an MCO cross-state movement is not allowed. The result of this business project will endo, it could affect data collection, website development, and also the project progress.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all of you. My name is Shukri bin Abdul Ghani. My matrix number is 23DLS18F2069. Let's continue on the product details. So the name itself will be iRack, which will use a method of gimbal known as a gyroscope concept, which will make the base plate of iRack more stable while motorcycle entering the corner. So with the additional intelligent features of this innovation, will equip with the alarm system that will send an alert as a precaution method to the rider if the base plate of the bag tilt more than the angle where it should be. So of course, to avoid any food and beverages being contaminated inside that bag or spill. So the dimension, of course, in the details drawing 2 dimension. So actually this product innovation will remain using the existing monorack design, which made by steel that a lot of available in the market. So the only section or part that involved in this innovation is the upper level, which is the foundation, the surface, flat surface of the bag. So that flat surface, that base plate will attach with the mounted stabilizer gyroscope at the bottom of that plate. So iRack actually has been designed and innovated for the motorcycle, of course, delivery rider which often use the bag and need to be put at the back of the motorcycle, whether on the seat or equipped with the basic monorack that available in the market. So this product, this innovation product will obtain the benefit and advantages from the iRack itself. iRack then will be attached at the back of the motorcycle, which make this product being used by the foot rider. Furthermore, iRack is designed to be reliable and heavy duty usage. So actually by the time this innovation has been made, there is no other similar available product in the market that could be used by the rider. I mean, something like iRack, there is no available similar product similar with this product in the market. So this is because the idea itself was generated by our group, that from actually because of it comes from the problem occurred by the rider and while sending the package to the customer. So so every rider has the same goal, which is want to deliver the package of the food or drinks effectively by maintaining the quality of the package as same as it's come from the restaurant.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Haris bin Azhar. My matric number is 23DLS18F2063. So I will present about raw material. So in raw material, we have 2 types of raw material: indirect and direct raw material. So direct raw materials in this project require a standard basic monorack and base plate and gyro stabilization mount platform. This is the main features in this project, and power cable wire and 12-volt motorcycle battery. So in indirect raw material, it's required bolts, nuts and washers.
The uniqueness and novelty of a new product to be introduced on the market must provide consumer with a positive value compared with existing products on the market. The difference between new product created with existing products is explained by this factor. iRack is a new innovation that come out from the existing monorack that has been widely used by the motorcyclists. Most of the users are from the group of food delivery rider that need to use the monorack by tie up the food bag on the top of the monorack. Does iRack have its own intelligent features that did not available by its competitors? iRack it have a uniqueness of the function which result the rider to be carefree from any circumstance regarding the movement or roll side of the item in the box or on the rack behind them.
In week 7, we have submitted the ideas of monorack and the detailed innovation concepts to the 3D designers to start drafting the concept of the idea. It cost us RM800 Malaysia.
The finding come out with 94% of them agreed that the customer will be satisfied because of quality and handling of the food. Next, 77.8% of them agreed the product itself is safe to use. Lastly, 88.9% agreed to install monorack with stabilizer. So this product will be the product of the future. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.